Hello, I'm Takis Athanassiou. I'd like to welcome you at the new episode of Leadership Execution Podcast, a podcast for leaders who'd like to make a difference. My goal is to inspire you to take the initiative, to change what no longer works, and to provide you with the necessary strategies, approaches, and tools to achieve that. Without delay, let's start with today's topic. How to better leverage your assets. It is a difficult period to live in, and it becomes even more demanding by day. You need time, energy, knowledge, skills, and every possible assets you might own just to cope effectively with everyday problems, either at a personal or at a professional level. Sometimes all these assets are not seems enough. You need to better leverage your assets in an optimal way, and even better, to build access or use some more assets. So, what do you have? The things you truly have are a personality, a character, a culture, a family, your memories and experiences, your health and physical condition, your expertise, your knowledge and skills, your talents, a network of close and loyal friends, the motivation for making your life better. These are the important stuff. You may also have some items, resources, and some more tangible or intangible assets, as money, academic studies, a work portfolio, books, a large cycle of influence, etc., that can assist you to achieve your goals. But everything is useless if you do not know how and when to use it, and if it is not aligned to your true goals via the mission you choose to accomplish in your life. You are responsible for your life path, and that means you are also responsible for your actions. Basic responsibility of you is to develop more options in any given situation for yourself and the others, and develop or access more assets you need to accomplish your goals. But how to evaluate your assets? Do you know that jigsaw puzzles beat 10 pieces of irregular shapes of paper to provide only a few leads as where they would be placed on their final position? But if you find their place, you will end up having one beautiful picture hidden behind the random order of the pieces. What you have and what you own are elements of the same puzzle, aims to give you a complete picture only when you know where you are going. Only when you have goals and objectives and a life path, the how, the where, and the why of the usage of your assets have gained meaning. Only then you can better leverage your assets according to the situations you have to face. How to better leverage your assets? 1. Take an inventory of your assets. Think and record your major assets, tangible and intangible, and write the best appropriate situation you can use them in order to provide you the most profitable results for you and your objectives. Take a step further. Use a spreadsheet to catalog your major resources and assets, writing beside them where and how you can use them best. 2. Use the best assets you have or can access to gain a better leverage and achieve maximum results. Find how you can grow your capacity to use them more productively and apply them at where would provide you the most gains. 3. Hack yourself. Try to generate solutions and options for every situation. Leave your assets behind and choose to follow a line of thought that will generate you more options and solutions for any given situation. Exercise your capability to not use your resources and assets, but your mental and physical traits in a more effective way. If you cannot produce any solution, you can always use any of your assets to find a way through. 4. Train yourself to live a more frugally and a simpler life that will serve you to many situations. 5. Learn how to reserve your energy, endurance, mental and physical strength, fitness, health and time in order to use them when you need them most. Follow a line of frugality, since this mode of operation may help you to produce much more options to serve your true purposes. Assess and chase the true priorities of your life, leaving behind the random ventures and routes does not serve anymore your purposes and does not make you a better person. 7. Evaluate your way of living, your goals, and align the methods you use for achieving your goals. Make the necessary amendments if you think it necessary in order your life to reflect your personality, values, and character. 8. Change your mindset to support the achievement of your goals and objectives, and view your path under the view of making your actions and your life more effective toward your purposes. 9. Change your habit if not corresponding to your goals and assume new habits that will serve you better. 10. Think. Find ways to multiply your vital assets and provide more value to yourself, the people around you, and your society. So, do you know any other ways to leverage your assets? Bye for now. Thank you all for listening today. I'd love to see you at the next episode of Leadership Initiative Podcast. If you have a question or a comment, please send me a message at my site, takisathanassiou.com. Until next time, take the initiative to become the person you want to be. Start now and make a difference. Thank you all for listening.